Hey everybody, Hardcore Gamer here, aka Yagboy from Xbox Live, here to do another unboxing and speed test this time for the Linksys E3000. Just like the previous video of the E2000, they're almost identical except for this is going to be simultaneously dual band, meaning it's going to use 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. One of the other main differences is this one is going to have the 6 antennas versus this has 3 antennas built in. One of the other main differences is they said this is optimized for wireless gaming, optimized for streaming HD video as well. So let's do an unboxing. Okay, and I bought this today at Best Buy. They mismarked it, so I got it for, instead of $189 or whatever they're charging, I got it for $139.44, and they had to give it to me for that, so I'm happy about that. Okay, let's see if I do this correctly. Yep, that's the router itself. Really nice. Plug this. Let's see. And of course, this will have the 4 gigabit ports, on and off switch for the internet and for USB. I mean, you could plug in an external hard drive into that as well. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Of course, the installation disc. And of course, a USB cable, which I never use those. I use my own that I have. And of course the power plug. Alright, so here's everything. And when I return, I'm going to have it set up and plugged in. And I set up the network. Both the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz are both N-based, and they are both on the WEP2 for the highest security. Let's actually go on speedtest.net. Okay, and let's begin this. So 44.36 megabytes, and I'm not sure if it's uploading. And it's not, I'm not sure what's going on. Yep, there it goes. Now it's uploading. .71. Yeah, there's a problem with the site. That's weird. So let's try my other one I usually go to, called Speakeasy. And of course I'll pick Los Angeles. So 19.62 megabytes on that one. Wow, upload's really slow. I don't know what's going on. Yep, and 0.7 megabytes. It's kind of crazy, but okay. And please give me your comments. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you, and take care.